In a previous video, we discussed 4 different valuation methods for inventory. And in this video, we're going to go through one of those examples called last in, first out. In this video, we're going to go through an example of last in, first out using the perpetual accounting method. So up here in the colors, we have an example of inventory. And you can see we start at the bottom on March 1st, and transactions slowly start to occur throughout the month. And the two questions here they want to know are, what are cost of goods sold and what is ending inventory? Well, in order to figure this out using the perpetual method, we have to track each individual instance. And so on March 1st, you have some inventory in your inventory account. Then on March 9th, you buy some more inventory. So now you have 350 units at $3,900. Then on March 14th, you sell some of this inventory. You physically remove some of the lemonade and sell it to customers. Now, using the last in, first out means we grab from the top. We grab the most recent thing from the top and take it out. And so if we sold 300, we are going to take 200 from the top pile and 100 from the bottom pile. As we start going in and grabbing, the pile dwindles down. And so to calculate our costs, we're going to grab all the costs associated with the 200, and we're going to grab 100 units at $10. And our total cost for that is $3,400, which leaves us with 50 units left in beginning inventory. But we still have to keep going because there were more sales throughout the period. So later in the month, you purchase some more inventory again on March 22nd, and you start to stack up this pile again. Then on March 29th, you sell some more lemonade. And so you're going to go in and reduce the amount you have in inventory. Now we're still using the last in, first out method. And so we're going to grab from the top. Now the most recent thing at the top is the stuff you bought on March 22nd, 250 units. So when you sell 225, you're going to go into that 250 and take out the cost for 225. And that gets added to the cost of goods sold. So you can see here we took 225 out of this pile. Now these two transactions on the 14th and 29th are summed up to give you your cost of goods sold. Now to calculate the ending inventory, if you remember, when we were at the beginning of the month, we sold some lemons on March 14th, lemonade. And the amount of lemonade left was the 350 we had minus the 300 we sold. So there were 50 units left at the bottom of the pile. And so to calculate that, we did 50 units left times the $10 of inventory. And then working our way up, if you remember, we bought some more inventory later in the month, and we sold some of that. And what's left of that is our ending inventory. We had 25 units left at $14. The sum of these two transactions is what your ending inventory balance is. It's the 50 units left from down here and the 25 units left from here. Now I want to show you something real quick, because this is always true for every problem you're going to get like this, is when we look at our purchases, the total amount of our purchases is $7,400. And all we're doing anytime we have one of these valuation methods is splitting the cost between ending inventory and cost of goods sold. We are not creating anything new or subtracting anything. So when we look at these in total, if we take our total cost of goods sold plus our total ending inventory, we also get $7,400. And so as you're going through these practice problems, consider, do my totals tie? And if not, it may be an indication that something's missing. So I'm going to post some more examples regarding FIFO and average inventory, but if you have any comments, please leave them below. Remember that the answer is always 0.